Hey everyone, I am Mr. Boom Boom and welcome back to my music room. Now today I have a very special project planned. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we are doing pots and pans drumming. Now usually we use these pots and pans to cook delicious food, like on Thanksgiving, right? But we're gonna turn them over and turn them into drums. And we're gonna take recycled water bottles and turn them into shakers. But first, I need to let you know that we need adult supervision for this project. And if you don't have a grown-up, call a grown-up over so they can have fun along with us. Now, I wanna ask you a very important question. I wanna know if you'll be my friend today, so let's sing it. It's such a beautiful day. The birds are singing and they say, would you like to be my friend today? I'm Mr. Boom Boom, it's nice to meet you. I've been waiting all day to ask you, would you like to be my friend today? There are different things that we can use as drumsticks on our pots or bowls or whatever you're using. Now I'm using small sticks, but there's other things you can use as well. We can use soft mallets from a toy. My favorite is baby spoons. They make a perfect sound, not too loud, not too soft. Now, one of the loudest things we can use are metal spoons. And yes, they are loud, so be very careful if you're gonna use these. And finally, we can use hard mallets, which are used on like the xylophone or glockenspiel. I have 4 different pots and pans in front of me, and each one will make a different sound. Let's listen. I'm going to teach you a very simple pattern, and I want you to put on your listening ears first and listen to what I play before you drum along, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that with me now? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, if you have more than one pot, we can use the different pots for different numbers that we count to. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or use another pot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can be creative and use any combination that you want. Now, for some of you, you might not have pots and pans or bowls or anything to drum on, and that's okay. You can make homemade shakers. This is how you do it. We can take an ordinary water bottle and we can pour out all of the water and make sure it dries out first. Once it's dry, you can put some rice inside of it, close the cap and seal it nice and strong, and now it's a shaker. You also can use a larger shaker and put pasta or something else inside that makes a louder sound. So whether you want to play pots and pans or you want to be creative and make your own shakers, there's plenty for you to do with this activity. So get ready to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes and play along with me. Let's do a drum roll to get warmed up. You ready? 1, 2, 3, drum roll. Very good. Let's play. All right, keep that steady rhythm. All right, let's sing. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes, and eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes, and eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. All right, we're gonna rock out, play whatever you want. Here we go. Everyone, keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get back into the groove. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes, and eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Before you watch the next video, I want to let you know that I'll be visiting the California Bay Area December 7th through 11th. I'll be doing programs with the San Jose Library, and you can sign up for one of my classes by visiting sjpl.org. And I'll also be doing some free bucket drumming classes in the area as well. Learn more by visiting musicplaypatrol.com.